Yilo mfanekiso wevideo osabalale ezinkundleni zokuxhumana ukhombisa abafundi besikole iCentenary Secondary eOverport eThekwini belwa ngaphandle kwamagceke esikole. Ngokusho kwabazali lolu thuthuva lususwe ukuthi kube nomfundi webala eLimpisholo owahlukumezeka ngesikhathi kuvulwa izikole.
The child from grade 8 was fed drugs at the toilets by Indian learners. They forced him to take drugs. They put him drugs in his mouth and they took his bus fare money. And nothing happened after that. That matter was brushed out. It was put under the carpet.
Labazali bathi kuningi abangeneme ngakho kulesi sikole nokufaka phakathi imithetho yesikole abathi icwasa izingane zabo.
My daughter was sent back home. She has long hair. I was just pointing out, she's got long hair and she normally has a ponytail like me. So she was told to take down a ponytail and put it at the back or plait it. You can't plait her hair, it's unplaitable.
Kodwa abanye abazali bayakuphikisa lokhu.
When you're bringing your child to the school, the code of conduct is given to you up front there at the beginning. If you had an issue with what was in that school's code of conduct with regard to nails, braids, skin color, earrings, you should have disputed it at the beginning and say, right, I'm not happy with your rules and policy of how you want my child to be. The school is not for me.
Umnyango wezemfundo esifundazweni usigxekile kakhulu lesigameko. Kanti uthi uzohlinzeka ngosizo lokweluleka ngokwengqondo abafundi.
When everything is conducive for them to do their work, in that regard, they will then start rolling out that program. Because what we saw in the videos it's psychologically disturbing.
Umnyango uthi usaphenya ngemithetho lesisikole enaso ukuthi ingabe zikhona yini izinhlanga ezicwasekayo ngayo ngokwezinsolo zabanye abazali.